Good morning, hope you're having an amazing day. It's Mark Weens. I'm in Esfahan, which is one of the most culturally and historically and architecturally beautiful cities in Iran. And while we're staying here, I have the opportunity, the privilege to stay at Abbasi Hotel, which is a 400-year-old hotel with the most impressive Persian courtyard garden that I've ever seen at any hotel. Maybe the most impressive courtyard at any hotel, rated as one of the most beautiful hotels in the world. And so in this video, I am gonna walk you through, give you a tour, show you our room. I think we might have an opportunity to see some of the really old rooms, even like golden suites. But before we do anything, it's right now 7:30 a.m. Breakfast has just opened. We are hungry. We're gonna go to breakfast first. Just look how impressive this entranceway is. I mean, the front door is over there, but then this entranceway and this like rooftop situation is just unbelievable. The detail, the chandelier, the paintings, the roof, and the geometric patterns. But we're not gonna spend too much time walking around the lobby right now because we wanna get to breakfast. Up the stairs. And also, by the way, I don't know how to get to the breakfast yet because this is that was our first night. We've only spent one night here so far, so this is our first breakfast. So this will be my first time to have breakfast here. Wow. Okay, breakfast. Hello, good morning, good morning. 131. Wow, look at this stained glass window at the entrance of breakfast. This dining room is one of the most impressive hotel dining rooms, breakfast rooms that I've ever seen. The unbelievable, luxurious Persian history and like design, the carpets, and if you look at the walls, everything is ornately decorated, the chandeliers. And then, okay, I'm just gonna show you right now. Just check out the view of the courtyard, of the dome, the Persian Garden. Okay, and the buffet is across there, across the chandelier. Wow, that's a lot of spoons. What a display. There's the fruit section, grapefruit, oranges, citrus is very good in Esfahan, persimmons, apples, and maybe some tangerines. Got the full bread section, and I think I'll go for some of the salads and cheeses first. White cheese. Oh, fatty cheese, that's awesome. Persian white cheese. Goes really good with tomatoes and cucumbers. Good, and then over here got honey and raisins and all sorts of the jams. Oh, carrot jam. I love the pickles too. Can I please have one mixed vegetable omelet and one Abbasi special omelet? Thank you. Okay. Very good. Thank you very much. So the Abbasi special is dates? Wow. Dates and sesame seeds.
Date and omelette.
Date omelet.
Abbasi.
Abbasi omelet.
Yes, okay.
Awesome.
And cheese? Cheese? Omelette? Cheese? Mixed vegetable?
Yeah, no cheese, please.
No cheese, yes.
Thank you.
Okay.
Awesome. The Abbasi special. Oh man, he's frying it. Nice. Oh, wow. Oh, that's beautiful. Yes. And he's flying it. He's like cooking it really like fluffy style. Oh, I love it. It balloons up. Look at the way it floats. Awesome. Okay. Merci, Mamnoon.
Nice to meet you.
Thank you. Nice to meet you also.
Yes, ma'am.
Oh, look at the beauty of that omelet. I was gonna go and get everything from the buffet line, but that omelet is just too cool. I think we have to taste it immediately while it's hot and fresh. The real omelet that I'm interested in trying that's so unique that I've never tried before is the Abbasi special omelet with date paste, walnuts, and also the sesame seeds in there, and you can just see, oh, wow, what an omelet combination. Look at the interiors of that. Oh, it smells incredible. first time ever, a date omelette. Wow. That is rich. Unbelievably rich. And it's, yeah, it is very sweet from the dates, but I think it's been toned down. The sweetness has been toned down by the walnuts, so it's not just pure like dates in there. You have the nutty walnuts, the sesame seeds, and then just made into a paste so that it like, wow, it's rich, it's fruity. It's actually amazing. Like more, instead of an omelet, it's more almost like a pastry, like a bread pastry, but without the dough, without the bread, just with egg wrapping it together. And I love the crunch of those walnuts too. Just try some of that gravy. Okay, now that I tasted the omelet though, I'm gonna go back for one more plate of food so that I have everything here. Tomato omelet, more like scrambled eggs, some vegetables, some mixed vegetables, potatoes, some hot dogs, pancake. Oh yeah, and this is what I'm looking for, is the ash. This is good. And then also there's some more beans. Okay, I think that is good. I gotta. And the herbs in there too. Rosemary maybe? This one is the ash, which is a mix, it's like a stew, a mix of beans and chickpeas mashed into a paste with lamb. It should be lamb, I believe. That's why it's strandy, I think. Oh, and the mint in there, I think. Yeah, that's like rich and hearty. I like the tomato with some of that white cheese, that Persian white cheese. Superb combination. Saltiness of the cheese and then the juicy acidity of the tomato. Some kind of a beef meat. And then over here, the green vegetables, some other fried vegetables, and I got some beans as well. Oh yeah, that vegetable is good. It's not spinach. Or is it spinach? Yeah, I guess it's spinach. I think my favorite part is trying that date omelet. Trying that date omelet for the first time. But actually, I mean, to eat on a daily basis, I like the mixed vegetable omelet. But the date omelet for a one-time try on a special luxury occasion like this, it's amazing. Okay, and Ying is cutting up a persimmon right now, and the amazing waiter, he just came by and he said that the persimmon is from the tree right down below there, and you can see the persimmon tree in the Persian Garden. It's just blooming. Oh wow! I'm coming with persimmons. Oh, thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you so much. Oh, look how juicy it is.
It's really good.
Wow. Yeah, that's like the best persimmon I've had. I'm pretty full now. That was a good breakfast. Oh, okay. I'm at the perfect stage now to go walk around the Persian Garden for a little while. Back through the lobby and out the main door here, which leads to the Persian Garden. Oh, this one's not automatic. Okay. Oh, that's kind of cold. But welcome to the private Persian Garden courtyard of Abbasi Hotel. Ah, fresh air. It's beautiful. The entire hotel just surrounds this entire garden, this entire courtyard. A lot of the rooms have balconies, including our room has a balcony veranda that leads into the courtyard, the garden. The flowers, the trees, the persimmons, there's date trees, there's quince, the fountains. Okay, I'm coming. This is the persimmon tree. No, yeah, these are persimmons. They almost look like peaches. Can you touch it? Don't pick it though. To the sun section. Easily one of the most beautiful, spectacular, Persian gardens, but also hotel gardens that I've ever seen. We're gonna walk back into the hotel, and then now I'm gonna give you a full tour of our room. Okay, and we're on the first floor. First floor, yeah. We'll step out of the elevator, and we're actually right above the lobby here, so you have a view over the balcony, a balcony over the lobby with the massive chandelier, with the just ornate mosaic and designs, the red plush sofas, the red carpet. Makes for a very ornate, luxurious Persian experience. Another amazing lounge sofa place to sit, and this one overlooks the garden with this dome window. Okay, to the room. Our room is right down the hall from here. Down that hall, 131. Thank you for opening the door. It's a little entrance area. I'm gonna take off my shoes and jacket here. And actually, I think we should, the whole room is that way, and the veranda and the room and the living room, but the bathroom is right here at the entranceway, so maybe we'll start with the bathroom. Welcome to the bathroom. And again, the style is just classic heritage luxury. This is a heritage hotel. It's a living piece of history, a museum of a hotel, as we saw from the lobby to the restaurant. The restaurant was impressive, but even in the bathroom in our room, there's a toilet, the bidet, the bathtub, the shower in the corner with the marble sink. Come out of the bathroom, back into the entrance area, step into the living room. This room is divided into two parts. There's the living room, actually three parts. There's the living room, there's the outdoor veranda, which is impressive, which is amazing, overlooks the garden, and then there's the bedroom. But there's no door from the bedroom to the living room, so it's all kind of connected, but just with that curtain there. It's the bedroom within the next room, like just with a curtain. This is the desk where I set up all my computer, all my hard drives. Even the attention to detail, like the tissue box is cool. Look at that tissue box. I'm just gonna go straight for the bed test. Mikey, come on. Yes, bed test time. Bed test time. The bed is fantastic. And check out these Persian socks I got too that fit with the room, thanks to Hamid, Mr. Taster. And final part of this room, step out onto the balcony. And again, because of the Persian Garden, this really is the highlight of the room, the highlight of the hotel, I think. Oh, yes. This is superb. A huge thank you to Gasser Setere for supporting my trip to Iran, for setting this up and for arranging our stay here, and to Hotel Abbasi for taking such good care of us. The staff are also very nice. Many of the staff and a lot of the people that work at the hotel, really helpful, really hospitable, amazing service. Highly recommend this hotel in Esfahan, and this is really a one-of-a-kind hotel in the world. And so that completes this tour of Abbasi Hotel, historical 400-year-old hotel in Esfahan, Iran. But if we have time this afternoon, we may get to see a few more of the other older suites with extremely luxurious, ornate suites. So if we have time to do that, I'll continue in this video. Oh, we didn't have time to take a tour until this evening, until tonight. Now we're taking a short tour. And again, he's explaining that this courtyard, this Persian garden, is 400 years old. This is a restaurant actually at the end of the courtyard. And it's actually plenty of people here, but in the summertime it's really busy. And then they're getting ready to play some kind of a unique, it's something unique in the world.
این حیف بوده.
Higher show with the teacups and the saucers. Amazing.
You're welcome.
So good and so without breaking anything.
و نوع صندلیام این صندلی مال 60 سال پیشه. هر 2 سالی یک بار.
This is like maybe a ballroom. Beautiful and especially known for its floor with a stone called marmar. Beautiful stone.
و اون کار نردام کار استاد چایچی هست. اومدن و این پله رو کارگرای خیلی ماهری گرفتن. این پله رو دقیقاً از اینجا برگزار میشه. این چیزی ما توسط بچه‌ها رستوران انجام شده برای فردای سمیناری داریم که اینجا باید برگزار بشه.
Firuze is the name of a very expensive stone, which is almost this color, the green color.
Okay.
They normally find it near Neyshabur, near Mashhad.
It's like a turquoise color.
It's
Turquoise, right?
exactly
like that.
that color.
Okay. Yeah.
Like greenish.
And then that's real gold on the top of the roof.
That's real gold. Yeah.
On the ceiling. What a room.
اسمش هست تالار عباسی. ظرفیت این تالار 500 نفره. ظرفیتش 500 نفره و اجلاس سران اوپن اینجا برگزار شده.
And now all of a sudden there's just a theater. A theater at this hotel. And again, look at that ceiling, that roof.
و گلایی هم که روی اینجا کار شده اینا یه لایه ورق طلای هندی هست.
All of the rugs are Persian handmade rugs, all of it gold, all of the roof is all handmade. Wow. Look at that wall. The designs and the like patterns. Whoa. Boy, I almost fell down that step. And then a lot of these are used for government functions. Wow, look at that room. The amount of gold and red and the patterns again. Look at and there's even an entire Persian carpets hall.
This is a piece of art, a nomadic carpet from northeastern Iran, near Caspian Sea, 100% natural silk. Because this carpet is 100% silk, about 4 years work is very difficult to make.
Wow.
This is the best Persian carpet. This carpet 3 years work by 2%. 1% with this side of the carpet, another person with other side of this carpet.
Wow.
Iranian magic.
Wow. And finally, we're going to finish this tour with another hall. This is another conference hall, another gorgeously ornate, designed color hall. I think a lot of government functions. Thank you.
اینو تو تاریکی بیان تا من روشن کنم. این یه چیز این تالاری که وارد شدی اسمش هست تالار عالی.
And this has to be one of the most ornate, luxurious dining rooms anywhere in the world for VIP guests like diplomats, presidents. Very important guests sit at this table, and what a design. Wow. All right, and that completes this tour of the hotel. That was actually well worth it to see some of these conference rooms that are just unbelievably artistic, ornate, well decorated. That was very cool. Some of the secret rooms, and that completes this entire tour of Abbasi Hotel. We've had an amazing couple of nights stay here, and thanks again for watching. See you on the next video.